Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all that sort of good stuff. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing and give this video a like if you enjoy it. So I've been on TikTok quite a lot, as I'm sure a lot of us have been during this quarantine, and I've been seeing a lot of cool beauty videos, a lot of cool hair tutorials, and I wanted to give this one a go. If you guys are like me and use a ton of heat on your hair and always are worried about the damage, then this is going to be a huge game changer for you. Now you can totally keep this heatless, but I chose to add a little bit of heat at the end just to straighten out a few pieces that I thought looked a little bit off. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure your hair is wet. So whether that means you showered or you get a little spray bottle, whatever, just make sure your hair is wet. Then you're going to wait until it's about 50% dry or 75% dry, somewhere along those lines, and that's when you're going to start doing the twist motion. So what you do is you take a little piece of hair at the top, split it into two, and wrap it around about 2 or 3 times. Then you take the piece that you last twisted with, add a piece from the front, and continue twisting. And you're going to do this until you get to the bottom of your hair. Once you've twisted all the way down, you're going to take a hair elastic and you're going to tie it off so you don't lose too much of the twist. And you're going to repeat this exact same motion on the other side. While you're doing this, you also want to make sure you're being kind of neat and keeping everything tight. Once you have both sides twisted, you're going to want to make sure the side that you did first is all the way twisted as far as you can so that you don't lose too much of it. You're going to take the elastic off, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to tie these two pieces of hair together behind your head, and I'll show you what that looks like. So it looks kind of funny, but you're gonna have something that looks like this when you're done, and then you're just gonna go to sleep. When you wake up, you're gonna take the elastic out and you're gonna unravel the hair, and you're left with these beautiful heatless curls. Like I said, you can definitely stop there, but I wanted to fix a few pieces and touch them up. So I take my GHD hair straightener. This is not sponsored. I just really love this hair straightener. It makes your hair super shiny. It's just awesome. So basically what you do is if you have any elastic marks on the bottom from the elastic, you're gonna want to straighten them out, and it gives you that like beachy wave type of vibe. And then if you have any waves at the top, sometimes this style can give you a little more waves at the top than curls. So if you want to make it a little more curly, you just take this straightener, curl it around, take it all the way down, and then leave the end straight. And if you guys don't know how to use a straightener to curl your hair, I'd be happy to do a tutorial on that if that's something you're interested in. Just leave it in the comments. And you're obviously going to want to keep this style locked in all day, so just take your favorite styling product and put it in your hair. The one that I used is, again, not sponsored, but this is just the Garnier Fructis Flexible Control Anti-Humidity Hairspray. That is a mouthful, but I really love this hairspray because it gives you that flexible hold that you can still run your fingers through, and it keeps your hair in place all day. So that's it for this hair tutorial, you guys. I really hope you like it. It's a great way to get some beautiful curls without using too much heat on your hair, without damaging your hair too much. And if you liked this video, again, please consider subscribing and give it a like if you enjoyed. I really would appreciate it. All of my social media, you know, my Instagram, all that stuff, if you like beauty and fashion, you should check it out. It's going to be in the description. I really hope you guys liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.